Pause the video and read the MCQ and you will find that the most important clue which the examiner has given is that polarizing light microscopy of hair has shown tiger tail appearance. And it is also mentioned that there is low sulfur content in the hair. So the most likely diagnosis is yes, it is TrichoThioDystrophy. So TrichoThioDystrophy, yes, it is going to present with hairs having low sulfur content. So thio is sulfur, because of which there are going to be changes in the hair which is going to be appearing under polarized light microscopy in the form of tiger tail banding, as you can see in this image where you are able to see under polarized light microscopy you can see alternative bands of black and yellow color, which is exactly mimicking the tiger tail appearance, right? So this is the question and the answer. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, you can reach me out on the comment section, and do subscribe to this channel and like this video if it was helpful. Thank you so much. Bye bye.